If you want a blender that turns ice into snow in literally seconds, keep watching. Breville Super Q might be the most powerful blender on the planet. 1800-watt motor with 186 mph blade speed crushes ice into perfect snow instantly. One-touch ice crush program does all the work with zero guessing. Noise suppression technology makes it quieter than most powerful blenders. Includes 24-ounce personal blender cup for quick single-serve ice crushing. Commercial-grade quality for home use. Breville backs it with a 10-year warranty. This blender is built to crush ice daily for years without burning out. What if your blender could think for itself and automatically make the perfect smoothie every time? This one actually does. Let me show you why the Ninja Detect Pro might be the smartest mid-range blender out there. This blender literally thinks for you. BlendSense automatically adjusts speed and time based on what's inside, so you get perfectly smooth results without guessing settings or babysitting the machine. Don't let the mid-range price fool you. The 1800 peak watt motor powers through frozen fruit, ice, and tough ingredients like it's nothing. Smoothies come out silky smooth every single time. Making smoothies for the whole family, the 72-ounce pitcher handles large batches easily. Plus, you get 10 variable speed settings for complete manual control when you want it. You get two 24-ounce cups with spout lids for grab-and-go convenience. The Liquid Detect feature even alerts you when you need to add more liquid. No more dry blending disasters. Everything is BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. Pitcher lids, cups, blades. Toss them all in and you're done. Zero hassle cleanup after every blend. Looking for a powerful blender that won't destroy your wallet? The Ninja Professional Plus might be the best budget blender you can buy right now. Seriously, this thing crushes ice like blenders twice its price. This isn't your basic blender. The 1400 peak watt motor is more powerful than Ninja's original professional blender. It tears through frozen fruit, ice, and tough ingredients without breaking a sweat.
The stacked blade assembly crushes ice into snow-like perfection every time. No chunks,
no half-blended pieces, just smooth, restaurant-quality frozen drinks at home. 3 preset programs handle smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream automatically. Auto IQ combines pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns so you just press a button and let it work. Big family? No problem. The extra-large pitcher makes enough smoothies for everyone in one blend. Perfect for meal prep or hosting friends without running multiple batches. No complicated parts to hand wash. The BPA-free pitcher and blade assembly go right in the dishwasher. Quick cleanup means you'll actually use this blender every day. Can a cheap blender actually crush ice without sounding like a jet engine? This Black+Decker does both. It's quiet, powerful, and costs less than a nice dinner out. Here's why it's the best cheap blender for ice crushing. Most cheap blenders wake up the whole house. This one has noise reduction technology that keeps blending quiet and pleasant. Digital controls with 3 speeds, 3 smart functions, and pulse give you full control without the headache. Don't underestimate 900 watts. The Cyclone glass jar creates a vortex that pulls ingredients down to the blades for up to 30% faster blending. Ice gets crushed quickly without straining the motor. The secret weapon is the blade design. 6 tips with 2 serrated edges create constant flow and vortex action. Ice and frozen fruit get pulled straight to the blades for smooth, chunk-free results every time. You get a 24-ounce Triton personal jar with travel lid included. Blend your smoothie, pop on the lid, and head out the door. 2 blenders in one for the price of a cheap dinner.
Big blenders are great, but sometimes you just need a quick smoothie and go. The Ninja Fit is compact, powerful, and blends directly in your travel cup. Here's why it's the best personal blender for busy mornings. Don't let the small size fool you. The 700-watt push-to-blend motor crushes ice, frozen fruit, and whole ingredients like a full-size blender. Just push down and it powers through everything in seconds. No pouring, no mess. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. Twist on the spout lid, and you're out the door. You even get 2 cups included, so one's always ready while the other's in the dishwasher. This thing takes up almost no counter space. Perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, office desks, or RV living. It fits anywhere and looks clean sitting out. Everything is BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe.
Cups, lids, blades. Toss it all in and done. Zero excuses to skip your daily smoothie.